Hey there, are you struggling to speak English despite years of study? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many face this common issue. Let's dive into the 3 biggest reasons why people fail at speaking English. First up, the wall of fear. It's not you can't speak, it's that you're afraid to speak. Picture a wall in your mind. You know the words, but fear stops them from coming out. Fear can freeze you. Trust me, I've been there. You're not crazy for feeling this way. The second reason, the enemy called perfection. It holds you back from speaking. Meet Alex, a brilliant student who never spoke up because he wanted to be perfect. Remember, language isn't a math test. It's all about connection and communication. Done is better than perfect. Speak up, even if it's not perfect. Third reason, the swimming pool problem. Too much input, not enough output. Imagine knowing everything about swimming but never actually getting in the pool. Just like swimming, speaking English takes practice. You need to open your mouth. Let's look at some ways to start speaking today. First, talk to yourself. Describe your surroundings. Keep it simple. No one is judging you. Second, find a language partner online. It's easier than you think. Schedule regular chats. It'll help both of you improve. Finally, use English in real life. Start small at coffee shops. Just 3 sentences can build your confidence. Try it. Remember, we've talked about fear, perfectionism, and the output issue. And we shared solutions. Talk to yourself, find a partner, and use English daily. Now, let's revisit the simple habit that can change everything. Talking to yourself. Why? Because it's easy, pressure-free, and directly tackles your fear. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Describe your room, your day. This small daily action will build a strong foundation for your speaking skills. Thanks for watching. Keep going and keep growing.